Hi, I'm Carlo du Plessis, and I'm the owner of Sencar Bosch and a technician for 30 years.
My name is Victor Dube. I've been a mechanic for Bosch for the past 6 years.
I've started years ago when I was 18. It was I worked at a mine. I did my apprenticeship at a mine. I'm diesel qualified in it, but after I got my technician certificate in it, I started my own business. So I started at 21, 22. I started from home, worked from home 1 year, and then I moved into this premises. And I started here. I did start with a tough time in it, you know, because it's a single business, operating in a single way, yes. And then start growing, getting more people, and yeah, I've been now 28 years in the business and still surviving.
Thinking of when did I start being a mechanic? Wow, this comes from way back. Yes. My dad was a mechanic, so I was his so-called a helper, or yes. I can say AP. So I was his spanner boy growing up. So I fell in love with working on cars. So that made me now to fall in love with the industry of motor industry. As I grew up, I don't think I was so much into cars to think of it, but with working with my dad, I was so interested in learning all new things, sort of a puzzle. Yes. So that's how this thing came about, to strip the engine, put it together, and try to remember each and every component that you remove. So yes. Then I fell in love with this.
For anyone who wants to enter this industry, what advice would you give them?
I think that you have to be definitely up to date with the technology. Keep on learning, keep on reading. There's always 3 parts in life in that, which I say 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. And 1/3 is working hard. The other third is your family time and your private time in that. And the other third is study, learn, read, and make sure that you stay with the technology, because it's changing the whole time. There's no easy way. It is hard work. Being a technician on the floor and taking out gearboxes, doing engine overhauls and that, it's very tough on you. And you have to have the knowledge.
I make sure before I even go anywhere, everything is 100%. Because I wouldn't want anyone to get stuck because of where I worked. I always make sure that whatever I do, I put my focus and my attention to detail.
Being part of the Valvoline family and being part of Valvoline and have this workshop working together with branded names and big names out there in that, I really appreciate it, and I love this and for many years to come.